Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. My name is Ty Sherrill and I'm your official backyard ambassador for RecTech. We are doing something that is completely not what I was going to do today. I was going to do a totally different dip, true story. Got in the car, went to the grocery store, and on the radio, someone asked somebody, one of the callers, what they were going to make this weekend, and they said a bacon cheeseburger dip. So that intrigued me. So I got to the grocery store and I found a recipe, and you and I are gonna make this for the very first time right now. This sounds amazing and I have to try it. All the ingredients are listed right there on the screen. Take a screenshot of that so you have everything that you need right there. All right, let's get started. The first thing that we are gonna do with this is we are gonna take a half a pound of browned ground beef, a browned it, pre-cooked it. So ground beef goes in. Also got 1 yellow onion and a teaspoon of garlic, and I cooked these down until the garlic was fragrant, and then I got the onions where they were all nice and soft. That goes in the bowl. It didn't fall out like I thought it was gonna fall out. The next is bacon. Can't be bacon cheeseburger dip without bacon. So I took a pack of bacon, and, well, not a whole pack, I think it was like 6 strips. I took 6 strips of bacon, cut it in 1-inch squares, and cooked it till it was crispy, and we are gonna add that in there. Save some of that for later. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, we have a half a cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayo, check. We're gonna put some mustard in there. 1 teaspoon of mustard, and then 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Boom. Next. All right, guys. This is the one thing, I posted about this the other day. I always get nervous when I'm about to say this. Worcestershire
sauce.
Okay, that was fun.
Brutal.
Worcestershire sauce. Teaspoon of that. Then we are gonna go with 4 ounces of cream cheese. I don't know why I can never say that word. Worcestershire. Worcestershire? Is that right? All right. 4 ounces of cream cheese. Boop. Half a cup of cheddar. Half a cup of Monterey Jack. And I'm going with the RecTech rub. Every video, rectech.com, get their bundle. All of the rubs you will need are in the RecTech bundle, rectech.com. And this one, I'm sorry, is the competition rub. So we're gonna throw some of that in there. Now we are gonna mix it. We have the 340 set at 350 degrees. So we are doing this on the RT 340. And this is gonna go for about 20-25 minutes. You can do this in a slow cooker or your oven. Nothing's better than doing it on your RecTech. So we're gonna put it in the dish. All right, we're gonna put this on the RT 340. This guy is one of my favorites. The legs fold up, a tailgater's dream. Take it camping, take it tailgating, take it to a buddy's house. If they have another grill, take this one over there. It's much better. 20-25 minutes, 350 degrees. When that gets done, we're gonna put some cheese over top of it. We're gonna let that melt, and then we are gonna garnish, and we are gonna dig in. We'll be back in a few. All right, guys, we are gonna take this off. Let's see what it looks like. Bacon cheeseburger dip. That looks pretty good. It looks very hot too. I have some leftover bacon here. We're just gonna garnish this up with some more bacon. Let's put some bacon right there. Some more bacon around it. Probably gonna let it cool down for a little bit because it looks like it's lava hot. So we're gonna let it cool down for a few minutes and then we are gonna dive into that. You can dive into this with like tortilla chips, or I got pita chips, little thicker, a little tougher. They don't break on you everywhere, but you can use whatever you want for a dipping tool. That looks pretty damn impressive. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. Look how cheesy. Can't be Texas Brew and Barbecue if we do not open up a brew. What goes better with a bacon cheeseburger than some pickles? This is actually my first time trying this, believe it or not. Wow, that's good. All right, pita chip. Bacon cheeseburger dip, and a pickle beer. Make sure you let it cool down because this stuff it comes off the smoker like you just pulled it out of hell. That's pretty hot, I guess. Here we go. You got to make that for the game, for friends coming over. That is so good. The bacon cheeseburger dip. Get you some pickle beer too. All right, guys, till the next episode. Cheers.